Hello everyone. So we are starting off with a new series, and in this series we would be solving out the previous year questions, and all of these questions would be theory based. So let's discuss the question now. So the question is that which of the following best describes death upon detachment? And the options are necroptosis, enchiosis, extravagation and metastasis. First, we will discuss all of these options in brief and then we would be reaching out to our correct answer. So let's discuss each of the options now. So the first one is necroptosis. So necroptosis is a programmed form of necrosis. Now what is necrosis? In very simple terms, we can say that consider this is a cell, and when this cell faces any abnormal condition or any infection, then there occurs bursting of this cell and all of the content gets released out in the surrounding, which leads to inflammation in the surrounding cells as well. But necrosis is not a programmed phenomena. It can occur at any time depending upon the adverse conditions faced by the cell. Necroptosis is the programmed form of this necrosis, or it is the inflammatory cell death where the cell gets inflamed, means there occurs abnormal increase in the size of the cell which leads to its death. So this is what necroptosis is. And talking about enchiosis, enchiosis is a form of programmed cell death which is also known as apoptosis, about which we would be discussing in the further videos. So it is a form of programmed cell death that occurs in anchorage dependent cell when they detach from the surrounding, and that surrounding is known as the ECM. So let's understand it simply. Consider this is a cell and this cell is dependent on the anchorage or is dependent on the support by which it is attached to the basal layer. So when this cell gets detached from the basal layer, there occurs death of this particular cell, and this is what is known as enchiosis. And what is ECM? The membrane or the matrix by which the cell and the basal membrane are connected, that is known as the ECM. So let's discuss what is extravagation. In very simple terms, extravagation is known as leaking out. So it is the leakage of the fluid, and specifically it is the leakage of the white blood cells from the capillaries into the surrounding tissues, that is known as extravagation. And finally we have metastasis. So metastasis is the spread of the cancer cells from the place where they are first formed to the other part of the body. Simply we can say that when a cell moves from one part of the body to the next part of the body and causing infection there, then that spread is known as metastasis. So this was all about all the four options. So let's go back to the question and solve it. So the question was that which of the following best describes death upon detachment, and on the basis of what we have just discussed, it is the enchiosis which best describes death upon detachment, where the cell died because of getting detached from its extracellular matrix. Hence B is the correct answer. So this was all about this question and the explanation of all the four options. So if you like this video, please do like, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. And I'll be coming up soon with many more questions in the future as well. So thank you so much for watching, and till then keep learning.